you doing? У меня сердце рамыты, шама, я вас из шамыни, бля. А? Вот, глаз, глаз. А?
Staying home for. I ain't got shit to do. Got nothing to do. Box of what? See? This man just sideswiped my all over.
Here is that, like, instead of sending off 10 requests for 10 cities, it sends an array of 10 requests once, and then those 10 things are executed on the server. And I guess you could have logic on your server to do them all at once, or you can just fire them all off at once, and then it sends all the responses back at once. So that helps both with network, but also I'm assuming it helps with rendering as well, because then you're not getting 10 render updates as they come in. You simply just get one.
Eighth room, you're staying on the 10.
It does say we're staying on the 10?
Yeah. Watch out, watch out!
Oh! Alex made it through. Alex made it through.
Okay, nice. Thanks for the break.
Okay, Garmin. Okay, Garmin. Okay, Garmin.
I enjoyed it.
It was delicious. It's one of the best ones I've ever made.
Did they just get Sophia?
Think they need a dash cam video?
Now, can we testify in court? If you try to run away, sir, we have you on video.
Dude, he's not running away. Is he running away? He shouldn't be running away.
I think so. Wait, I literally just saw a wreck. What? Oh my gosh, he's running away.
We have it on video.
Call the police.
To tell police about that before they got like seriously ill, and definitely told them about it after he recovered, and no record of cancer. So let's call that question 1 live. Question 2: do you own a dehydrator, and have you ever foraged for mushrooms?
And I was so scared that you died, and I was scared that we would die too. But we made it, and then I was.
Oh my god!
We're okay. We're okay. We're gonna go over it. We're gonna go over it, but it's okay. We're okay. We're okay. We're gonna go over it. We're gonna go over it, but it's okay.
Oh my god, are you okay?
Don't like that. What the Okay. Did we get that on camera?
Oh my god! Oh my god!
As it were, the noise of thunder. One of the 4 beasts saying, "Come and see." And I saw, and behold, a white horse.
That was like a coyote? Yes, coyote. Jesus, I've literally never...
you doing? I was at the intersection. Are you fine? What are you doing?
Also Taco Bell. That's all I'm talking about.
Oh my God!
Christ.
Woo!
That was close. That was very close.
Oh my God!
Jesus.